Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel pigirl. From today we are going to start a new series on Arduino. So let's straight away get started with our tutorial 1. So grab your Arduino board and LED and let's get started. Now coming towards our first step is connection of Arduino with LED and resistor. So connect your breadboard and connect LED and resistor as shown in the picture with Arduino. After this, it's time for us to upload the code by installing Arduino IDE. So before that, we will install this Arduino IDE by clicking on Arduino software. So here you can see there is a downloading option for multiple OS. You can select the preferred OS and click on just download. So right after few seconds, you will download your IDE and it's time for you to open a new file in this IDE. Now your programmer friend will teach the LED dance blink. Okay, so this will be instructed to light up for 1 second and then fade into darkness for the other second. Here we will define LED pin as the value 30. The void setup function runs only once when Arduino is powered. After this, the pin mode is going to be set as output since it is used to send the signals to LED. Now coming towards the loop function, it will run repeatedly after setup function. Now we are going to give digital write high in the sense it will give 5 volts to the pin. Right after this we are going to give a delay of 1 second. Now we are making it to blink the code. So after this we are going to give the digital write as low, which is nothing but 0 volt. And after this we are going to pause the program and save it. So here we will be saving in the name of LED Arduino. Right after you save it, now it's time for us to upload the code by selecting the right port and right board. Okay, this is in your tool sections. So you'll have to go to tool section and select the right board and right port. So after compiling your sketch, now it's time for you to upload the code and it's done uploading. Now, this creates a simple loop where LED turns on for 1 second and then off for the next second. And this cycle repeats. If you liked the video, what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe. In case if you have any questions or ideas on what you want to see next, please drop a comment. Thank you.